Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change lock screen shortcut in your Android phone. First, if I lock my device. Now if you want to change this lock screen shortcut, just touch and hold on the lock screen and then type your password to unlock your phone. Then you can see this interface. From here you can customize your lock screen. Now if you want to change your left side shortcut, just tap here. Now from here you can set any app as you want. If you set calculator, camera, do not disturb, torch or voice recorder, then you don't need to unlock your phone. On the other hand, if you set this app as shortcut, then you have to unlock your phone to use this app. Now if you want to set torch as shortcut, just tap on torch. And you can see it's changed successfully. Now if you want to change your right side shortcut, just tap here and then choose any app as you want. Then tap on done. And it's done. Now you can see your shortcut has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change lock screen shortcut in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.